Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to clone a Bitbucket repository. This is an essential skill if you're working with code or collaborating on projects, as it allows you to download a complete copy of a repository to your local machine so you can work on it offline. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to bitbucket.org. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Bitbucket dashboard where you can access all your repositories and projects. Now look over to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see various navigation options there. Click on Repositories to expand that section. From there, click on View All Repositories. This will display a complete list of all the repositories you have access to, including those you own and ones shared with you by other team members. Next, browse through the list and select the repository you want to clone. Click on it to open the repository's main page. This is where you'll see all the files, commits, and other details about the project. Once you're on the repository page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Clone. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with options for cloning the repository. In this drop-down, you'll see options on the right side. Navigate to the section where it says HTTPS, and you'll notice there's a drop-down menu that lets you choose between HTTPS or SSH. Select your preferred option based on how you've set up your authentication. Most users stick with HTTPS for simplicity, but SSH is also a secure and popular choice. After selecting your preferred protocol, you'll see the URL link displayed. Right beside this URL, there's a copy button. Click it to copy the clone command to your clipboard. This copied command is what you'll use to download the repository to your local machine. Now it's time to switch over to your terminal or command prompt. If you're on Windows, open Git Bash. If you're on Mac or Linux, open Terminal. This is where you'll execute the clone command. Before pasting the command, you'll want to navigate to the local folder where you want the repository to be stored. For example, if you want it on your desktop, type cd desktop and then press enter. This changes your current directory to the desktop. Once you're in the right location, paste and run the copied clone command. Simply right-click and paste, or use the keyboard shortcut, then press enter. The cloning process will begin and Bitbucket will start downloading all the repository files to your local machine. During this process, you'll be prompted to enter your Bitbucket username, type it in and press enter. Next, you'll be asked for your password, but here's an important detail. You should not use your regular account password. Instead, you need to use a Bitbucket app password. If you haven't created one yet, you can do so by going to bitbucket.org, navigating to Personal Settings, and then selecting App Passwords to generate a new one. Enter this app password when prompted, and press enter. Once the authentication is complete, the repository will finish downloading. To verify that the clone was successful, type ls if you're on Mac or Linux, or dir if you're on Windows, and press enter. You should see the new folder containing your cloned repository listed there. Finally, to enter the folder and start working, type cd followed by the repository name and press enter. You're now inside the repository and ready to start working on your project locally. And that's it. You've successfully cloned a Bitbucket repository to your local machine. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.